In the wild, every day is a test of survival. The snake hunts, the frog runs. The strong dominate, the weak escape. It's nature's rule, or so it seems. But sometimes, the wild whispers a different story. A green snake swims beside a green frog. No chasing. No fear. Just harmony. Birds fly low, squirrels gather near. No one hides, no one fights. In that moment, something shifts. The forest isn't just a battlefield. It's also a home. A place where life can flow together, not against. Because in the end, there are no enemies here. Only creatures, learning to live as one.